Google Pixel 2 owners have an exciting update to look forward to. Google Pixel 2 owners have a new and exciting update to look forward to that will introduce a redesign to one of the device's most important applications. Google's Phone application is installed by default on Pixel devices but is also available as a download on the Google Play Store for other Android hardware. The app was recently treated to the tech giant's new material theme that introduced a more modern aesthetic to the software. But now users are set to receive a dark mode option for the app in a forthcoming update. In the description for the app on the Play Store, Google insisted the new feature was coming soon. The post reads, "The phone app has a fresh new look. And coming soon dark mode." Unfortunately, a more precise date for the new look's arrival was not given by the tech giant. But Google Pixel and Pixel 2 owners will surely be able to switch the lights off the moment an update adding the feature is released. Dark modes appear to be rising in prominence. Apple is set to include such a feature in the latest update to macOS, and Google recently starting rolling out the mode in its Android Messages app. Version 3.5 of Android Messages was made available earlier this week and allows users to text with less strain on their eyes. A new material theme has arrived with the update, giving it a whiter look with more rounded corners. But dark mode can be enabled by pressing the options toggle in the right-hand corner of the app at the top. Once this button is pressed, users will have the option to enable dark mode. This toggle can be tapped once again to disable to the new look. Google regularly updates its plethora of useful apps with brand new features, with some changes being more subtle than others. It is currently unknown whether the company has plans to implement a dark mode option in more of its software.